Hi, hello, welcome. This is Monisha Trivarangan. In this video, we are going to learn about RSI. RSI is nothing but Relative Strength Index and it is a momentum indicator used in technical analysis. RSI is mainly concentrated to measure the magnitude of recent price to changes to evaluate overbought or oversold conditions in the price of stock or an other asset. The indicator was first developed by J. Wells Wilder Jr. and he introduced a new book called New Concept in Technical Trading System in 1978. It has become the most popular oscillator indices. RSI displays as an oscillator. As we all know about that, oscillator is a line graph that moves between two extremes and here it can have reading from 0 to 100. RSI provides technical traders with signals about bullish and bearish price momentum and it is often plotted beneath the graph of an asset price. What is overbought and oversold in RSI? RSI is considered overbought when above 70, oversold when below 30. These traditional levels can also be adjusted if necessary to better fit for the security. For example, if a security is repeatedly reaching the overbought level of 70, you may want to adjust this level to 80. So the next one is how to work RSI. RSI is calculated using average price, gain or loss over a given period of time. The default time period is 14 period with values bounded from 0 to 100. The moving average convergence divergence, that is MACD, measures the relationships between two EMA, that is exponential moving average, while the RSI measure price change in relation to recent price high or low. Okay, what is divergence? The divergence signals with the RSI is considered when the signal high or low of the market price are moving the different directions to the high or low on the RSI indicator. RSI divergence is that RSI can show a change in price momentum before you see a change in price action. So the next one is what are the rules of RSI? The common level to pay attention to when the trading with RSI are 70 and 30. An asset is usually considered overbought when RSI is above 70%, oversold when RSI is below 30%. Trading based on RSI indicators often the starting point when considering a trend and many traders place alerts at the 70 and 30 marks. So the next one, 5 important role in RSI. First one is trend line application, second one is pattern breakout, third one is advanced breakout and breakdown, fourth one is roll of 50 and the last one is failure swing. Limitations of RSI. RSI isn't always helpful since it can move without featuring a clear trend for a long time. It can send misleading signals. RSI remains at an overbought level or oversold level for a long time. When a market features a strong trend, the RSI loses its usefulness. Which indicators is best with RSI? RSI is often used to obtain an early sign of possible trend changes. Therefore, adding exponential moving average that responds more quickly to recent price changes can help. Relatively shorter moving average crossover, such as the 5 exponential moving average crossing over the 10 exponential moving average are best suited to complement RSI. The helpful RSI strategies for day traders. The normal default settings for RSI is 14 on technical charts, but experts believe that the best time frame for RSI actually lies between 2 to 6. The best RSI setting for intraday. Every indicator has different settings and time periods that have been used to generate the most appropriate signals. It is therefore important to understand the best RSI setting so that you can make the best of the intraday trading time. The RSI or the Relative Strength Index is a commonly used indicator by intraday traders as it is very effective in generating the right signal. RSI strategies. Relative Strength Index is the most renowned and reliable momentum indicator. Some people find it hard to understand because of the infrequent trading signals. A value of 30 and below indicator an oversold conditions, and value of 70 above indicator and overbought conditions. So finally, the RSI is one of the most popular indicators for forex traders, cryptocurrency traders, stock traders, and future traders. But it is not the indicator itself that makes users of the RSI successful in trading. Traders must spend the time to backtest an RSI trading strategy to make sure it has worked in the past and then test that strategy in a live trading environment with good trading discipline to have the best chance for a profitable trading strategy that works in the future. Thank you.